Hello, and welcome to Total Training for After Effects CS4 Essentials. My name is Luisa Winters, and I am a certified instructor for several Adobe applications. I am also a frequent speaker at some national and international conferences. I love After Effects. It's my favorite application in the whole world. I have always maintained that while my children play video games, I play After Effects. After completing this series, you will be a lot more comfortable in After Effects, and you will be ready to start your own animations and compositions. I would like to start by going over the new features of After Effects CS4. One of the cool new features in After Effects CS4 is the ability to import Photoshop 3D layers. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Go ahead and open Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, don't worry about it. Just watch the video and you will be able to follow along later. I already have Photoshop open, so I'm just going to navigate to it by pressing Command-Tab. If you are on Windows, press Alt-Tab. Go ahead and click on File, Open, and navigate to your desktop. From the desktop, choose your Project Files folder and choose Chapter 1. From here, choose the file named cube.psd and click Open. You will see that this is a cube made out of several different stills. You can now use these tools here, which are Orbit Camera tools that will let you rotate this cube in 3D space. All you have to do is click and drag. Depending on your system, this will give you a live update or not. Once you're done, you can save the file or not. If you choose to save, go File, Save, and navigate back to After Effects. Remember, it's Command-Tab or Alt-Tab if you are on Windows. In After Effects, let's go ahead and import that file. File, Import, File. Remember, navigate to the desktop. Choose the Project Files folder, Chapter 1, and the file is called cube.psd. Choose Open. This panel is important. Where it says Import Kind, make sure that either Composition or Composition Cropped Layers is selected. Once that's done, click OK. You will see now 3 files in your project panel. The Cube, which is a composition, Cube Layers, which is a folder, and a Solids folder as well. Go ahead and double-click the Cube composition. As you can see in the monitor panel, the cube is already there. In the timeline, you will see 3 layers, a camera, a background controller, and of course, the background. Select the layer called Background Controller and press the letter R for rotation. You can now scrub these values, and you will see your cube rotating in 3D space. How cool is that? You can now keyframe these, you can animate them however you want. One thing, however, to keep in mind is that the lighting comes from the Photoshop file. Any lighting that you do in After Effects will not affect these layers. Edit Original also works in here. You can navigate to the Cube Layers folder and expand it. There is only one layer in here. You can now choose Edit, Edit Original, or use the shortcut which is Control or Command E. This file opens in Photoshop. You can manipulate it here however you want, and any changes that you do in here, once you save the file, will be reflected in the After Effects file.